How you guys doing today? Welcome to the channel. This is Full Send and we're back out here. We have the Traxxas Rustler with the brand new Dynamite 19. I'm gonna fire it up real quick, guys. So I'm gonna try to let my beautiful wife here hold the camera for me for a second while we try to fire this off just a little bit. Appreciate you guys all tuning in, watching all the videos. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Watching the content. Oh man, it's gonna be fun trying to get the cover on because it's gonna be. We might want to warm it up. Guys. Hold on. Let me get it back going again. Let's warm it up first, then we'll put the cover on. All right. So it's been a while since I've been doing the regular content, guys. Might as well go back to the old school style like we used to do. Do the lives, but we also do the regular videos. I want to get it warmed up a little first. Get a little temperature in there. Little temperature, guys. So we got the super awesome 4K video. 4K, guys. You know, quality over quantity. Supposed to rain out today. Trying not to send it too hard without the lid on it. Trying not to send it too hard without the lid. All right, she's warming up now. Oh, you guys seen the wheelie? Did you guys see that? Thing stood right up. Thing landed right on the back wheels. You guys seen that? Oh, you seen it again? All right, so we should be able to get the cover on now. Shouldn't be an issue. Hopefully not. Might need some kind of tuning adjustment. Listen to that perfect Traxxas product right there. Trying to just keep it from flaming out. I don't really want to mess with the tune too much. The point of today's video is to do a run. There we go, guys. Point. Oh, like I said, that's why I put the cover on. For that specific reason right there. It's definitely getting ready to pour out any second. I don't know if you guys could tell. But we're trying to get it running. Traxxas Rustler, guys. So how you guys doing? Oh, I seen that coming. Let me see if the body clip came out. Body clip came out over here somewhere. Body clip came out. There it is. Spotted that in 1 second, guys. Spotted that in 1 second. Look at the sky, guys. It's getting ready to pour any second, but we don't care. We're here doing our nitro stuff. It's a tad bit lean, I can tell you that much. We got no brakes. I don't know what's going on. Just lost drive, too. I think we got a rocket somewhere. here. I don't know what's happening. Might have broke the transmission or something. So the gears are spinning. Gears are spinning. I think we blew the transmission or something. Or the rear diff. I think we broke the rear diff or something, guys. I think we broke the rear diff. Oh man. Go check it out. The gears are moving perfectly fine. The gear mesh is fine. It's not stripped. So I guess this is gonna go back into the shed, go back into the repair shed over there. I was planning on actually doing a nice run on this today, but apparently the transmission just gave up on us, or the rear end or something, because the gear mesh is perfectly fine. All right, the gear mesh is perfectly fine, but we have lost drive. We have lost drive, and it feels like binding going on inside the transmission or something. See what I'm saying? Yeah, we stripped out the inside of the transmission or something. So I gotta figure out what we need to fix this. Oh man, I just added a bunch of cars back to the fixed pile and then broke this one. That's all right. Sometimes that's the way the cookie crumbles, guys. That's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. So anyways, I appreciate you guys all tuning in. At least we got a little bit of a run in. It's definitely about to start pouring just about any second. I wanted to make sure I got a nice decent run in for you guys, but you know, that's the best I could do right now. That's the best I could do, guys. There's nothing you could do. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. This car has been an ongoing project for years, and yeah, that's sometimes what happens, guys. Sometimes what happens. So Traxxas is tough, baby. Traxxas is tough. Traxxas is tough, guys. So yeah, man, freaking broke the transmission on the Rustler. Now that Dynamite 19 must have a nice amount of power, because you guys seen it when I turned it around over there. It stood up on the back wheels and did a wheelie. Oh, this thing got me all greasy. Stood up on the back wheels, did an awesome wheelie a couple times. At least we got a couple wheelies out of it before the transmission failed on us. So we're gonna have to figure something out. We're gonna figure out what to do, what we need to repair. We're gonna have to look at this on a live stream and investigate it. So yeah, plan was to do a regular video today. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. You know, it's about to pour any second. So yeah, man, let me head out. Let me get back to the back cave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys. Peace out. Full send.